Good morning, students of class 6. We are meeting today after a long break, and today we are going to start our new chapter number 8, Life under the Mauryans. It means how people used to live in Maurya Empire. Was their life comfortable or not? Were they enjoying different kind of facilities or not? Such kind of things we will explore under this chapter and under this topic. So our chapter is life under the Mauryans. And there are two important things which throws light on this topic. The first one is, we have already learned that Ashoka and Chandragupta, they were influenced by the teachings, religious teachings that were given during their time. Hence, it is clear that they were religious, and if anyone is religious, true religious, then automatically he will look after his responsibilities in a good manner. So we can say that in Mauryan Empire, the kings like Chandragupta and Ashoka, they were religious, and hence they looked after their kingdoms, their subjects, their citizens in a very well manner. The second thing, in Arthashastra, as we all know, it is written by Chanakya. In Arthashastra, it is written that the king's happiness lies in his subjects' happiness, and in their welfare, his welfare. It says a lot that the king felt happy whenever his citizens, subjects here means citizens, the people who lived in his kingdom, in his empire, if they were happy, then only the king felt happiness. If his citizens, if his subjects, they are enjoying different things, all the facilities, then only the king became happy. So these important two things tell us that the people were very happy in Mauryan Empire. Now we are going to discuss about the administration about of the Mauryans. Administration means how the people, how the kingdom was ruled. And if the administration is good, there is peace and harmony in the society. Administration is for the betterment of the people only. Suppose the school's administration is good in our school, especially St. Francis Academy, the discipline part, it is known for discipline part. It means the administration of this school is very good. It means we all, not only for it is for you, we all enjoy a better environment, a comfortable atmosphere we feel here. So all the credit goes to the administration. And in the same manner, we can say, I give this example to make you understand. So, in Mauryan Empire, the administration was really good, and king used to keep in mind that all things go in well and efficient manner, and thus they established a good administration in their empire. And we know about the administration of Mauryan Empire through different means, like there are literary sources like just we discussed Arthashastra, Indica written by Megasthenes. He was sent by Seleucus Nicator in the court of Chandragupta. So Megasthenes also put a great light on the administration part through his book Indica. Apart from these two, many rock edicts and pillars of Ashokas, Buddhist and Jain texts also says a lot about the administrative system of the Mauryans. Now we are going to discuss how they used to administer, how to used to rule over the kingdom, the empire. First of all, we all know that if we want to rule in very good and efficient manner anywhere, if the country is large, if the empire is large, to run it efficiently, it is divided into different parts. Okay? In the same way, Mauryan Empire, it was very large empire. It was one of the biggest empire of that time. So, to run it properly, the empire was divided at many levels. Like empire, the whole empire was divided into different provinces, means state. You can understand our country is divided into different states. So, in the same manner, Mauryan Empire was also divided into different provinces like states. Further, states are divided into districts. In the same way, Mauryan provinces were also divided into many districts, and further, districts are divided into villages. In the same way, in Mauryan Empire, districts were also divided into villages. So the village was the lowest administrative unit, then district, then province, and then the whole empire. Now we are going to talk about the central administration. Central administration means the whole authority, the whole and sole power of the state, of the kingdom, of the empire, if it lies only in the hands of one person, that is in the hand of king, then we say that there is centralized administration. It means the king was the real administrator, though he divided the empire into different units, but ultimately he kept all the authority with himself. He was also the king in Mauryan Empire, was also the chief of the armed forces as well as the chief justice of the land of the empire. Okay, so just we have to understand these things. Apart from that, to help the king, to assist the king, there were many ministers, and the group of ministers were called Mantri Parishad. Here we have written king, under him to assist him there was a body, Mantri Parishad, in which different ministers were there, and each one of them was looking different field. Like one minister is looking after the agriculture part, one is looking after the defense, another revenue. So the different sectors were looked after by different ministers. So in this way we can say the king, he alone could not present everywhere. That's why he had made a body, Mantri Parishad, council of ministers we can say, and each ministers used to look after different affairs. Okay. And there were many officials, we can say the officers, the bureaucrats. They were helping the Mantri Parishads, ministers and Mantri Parishad, where ministers were helping the kings. So this was the central administration. After that we are going to discuss the provincial administration. Just we have discussed the empire was for the divided into different provinces, means states, and in each province there was one person, there was one head, that was called governor, and governor was usually from the royal family. It means that the king used to put his relatives in the different provinces. Yes, so governor. After that provinces were further divided into different districts, and in each district there was one person to look after the affairs to the district, and he was called a Sthanika. And after that the districts were further divided into villages, and in each village there was a head of village, headman of village, and he was called Gopas. We have also read the Panchayat system in this class, the first chapter of civics, and we all know the Sarpanch, Panch, Mukhiyas. They are the persons who look after the affairs of villages. In the same manner, in Mauryan Empire, in villages there was one head called Gopas, and a group of villages came under one district, and a Sthanika looked after the districts, governor looked after provinces, and the whole empire was in the hand of the king. So this was the administrative system of Mauryan period. At present we also see the same pattern in our country, and it was, we can say, we have adopted this form of system from our past, because in ancient time the Mauryans, they also looked after the administration in this manner, and we are also following the administration at present in the same manner. So we learn from our past, that's why history is important. And one more topic we will cover today, last topic, the Patliputra. After this, in our chapter it is given Patliputra. We all know that it is the capital of Mauryan. Earlier there was two capitals, Rajgir and Patliputra. So Patliputra, we have understood the strategic location of Patliputra. It is situated near the confluence of rivers Ganga, Son. So the rivers provided this city a barrier to for the enemies, who, if the enemies wanted to attack over Mauryan Empire, they had to cross the long and deep rivers. In this way, these rivers helped Pataliputra from enemies, and thus it became Mauryan Empire became a powerful empire. After that, the Pataliputra city was all around the city. There was a wall, like Great Wall of China, and wall also protected the city. It is said that 570 towers were there in between the walls to look after the enemies, and there were 64 gates to enter from all directions, all across, from all around the city into the main city. So 64 gates and 570 towers. The city was surrounded by huge walls, and one important thing you will be it is very interesting that in Pataliputra, in Patna, the Kumhrar is the place where the court actually was there, and the capital court was there, and to look after the justice, to solve the disputes, and there are many pillars. 80 pillared assembly hall was there in Kumrar, and the wooden beams were also there. It says the massiveness of the city, the grandeur of the city. So this was about the Pataliputra. So this part we have finished today, and in the next video we will discuss the further topics. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.